ROC stands for Regenerative Orthopedic Center. Today, we are meeting one of the surgeons. We are with Dr. Mark Wagner, a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here at ROC. Dr. Wagner, what's your specialty here at ROC?
Well, I'm kind of the hip guy, as people call me. I treat people with hip pain, whether it be the young adult, the older adult, the teen, the active, healthy, elderly person, kind of everything related to hips.
And you are a surgeon, but you're not always performing surgery.
Not all the time, you know, half of our business is kind of trying to figure out what kind of surgery to do if someone needs surgery, and then if they do need surgery, what is the best surgery for them to get them back to their life.
And what is the difference between, say, hip preservation and hip replacement?
Hip preservation is trying to do everything we can to keep the hip, so we have all sorts of minimally invasive techniques to try and fix the hip. And then the hip replacement those are for people who are kind of past the point of keeping a hip, and so we put a new hip into them. And that allows them, again, to get back to their quality of life.
So there are different options when it comes to hip replacement surgery. Which method do you use?
So I do a hip replacement utilizing a robot. And the reason I really like to do that, it really allows me to place that hip in the best possible position that we can, very precise within a millimeter or a degree of accuracy.
So tell me about your patient population.
So I treat all areas of population of hip pain, from the teen to the active adult to the sport to the pickleball player to the elderly. It's really kind of one of those specialties where you can treat the entire gamut versus some people that just take care of either younger or older, or just do replacements or just do preservation. And I can kind of see those patients and give them the best treatment options, because a lot of us really aren't in a black and white scenario. Sometimes there's a lot of in between, but you really need to figure out like what's the best way to get that person back to the things that they enjoy doing.
To learn more about orthopedic care and recovery at Regenerative Orthopedic Center, visit rocpdx.com.